5 differences between rich and poor. Or rather, you can say these are the reasons why rich people don't talk to poor people. Rich people talk about vision, and poor people talk about other people's, or they just gossip. If you start talking like rich people will start talking to you. Rich people focus on their money, making more money for them. Poor spend their money on things which they even don't need it. If you start spending money like the rich people do, they will talk to you. Rich people surround themselves with like-minded people. Maximum for them 3 to 4 is a company. Poor people have lot of friends. Rich people are proactive. Poor people are reactive. Rich people prepare themselves for the future problems that might come. Poor people don't prepare for the future problems that might come. Rich people take action first and then talk about it after the results. Poor people talk about the things they want to do, but they never take the actions. That is the difference. Rich people work for the impact, doing something and how much it can impact them, how much wealth they can grow. Poor people just live for check to check.